Look who's here. I have my walker. And who comes down to hang out with me? My little boy. So cute. Oh, Louie just landed on my head. He came out of his cage. And Scotty's just walking around on the floor. He's got plenty of room. To me, this is the most precious time I could spend on this earth. It's just with my birds. Every second that I'm with them, every moment that I'm with them is precious. Hi, baby. Where you going? Want to come up here? Come on. Come. You want to come up? No, he wants to stay. He wants to be down there. He likes to walk. Come on, let's go for a walk. Come on, Scotty. Come on, baby. Hey, baby boy. Come on. Oh, it's going either way. He's going back. Either direction. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.